Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to install any version of Python on Windows 10. It's really easy and simple. Just open up a web browser. Now search for Python. Click here. Click the download tab. If you want to install a latest version, click here. You can see now the latest version is 3.8.2, so it will download this version. But if you want any specific version, let's say version 3.8.0, scroll down and look for that version here. Once you found it, just click on download. Now you need to scroll down to the bottom and look for Windows Executable Installer and click it. It will take some time to download. As I have already downloaded, I'm going to skip this and show you the next steps. Once you have downloaded the executable file, just open it up. You will see this pop up. Make sure you tick this checkbox. Now all you really need to do is click on install now. It may take some time to install, but once it's done, you can close it. Now let's test our newly installed Python. Just type cmd or command in the search bar and hit enter. Now type Python and hit enter. Now you can see it's showing version 3.8.2, which means that Python 3.8.2 is installed in my system properly. And you can run all kind of Python codes here. Let's print hello world. If you want to check the pip version, firstly type exit and now you can type this. That's it. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you haven't yet. Thanks for watching.